Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Arielle here. I am here with a new video for you guys, and it's going to be about the Mini Lou from Saint Laurent, and I'm going to just kind of give you guys a review about it. I actually purchased it in November and I wasn't able to do an unboxing video for you guys, so this time I wanted to do a review for having it after how many months? I think it was December, January, February, March, so about 4 months. I've been using it religiously, so I feel like I'm in a good place where I can actually review this guide for you guys. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So I want to start off with talking about the technicalities of the bag, how much it cost, and all of that. So this is what the Mini Lou looks like. I have it in a black finish and it's leather, and then it also has silver hardware. I've actually been looking for a bag with silver hardware for quite some time now because I want to be able to use it for casual events or casual attires and dressing it up. So I thought it would be very simple if I had a silver one. This bag retails for about $1,050 USD, and then depending on the different finishes that you get this bag in, because they come in different colors, different metals, they also have some exclusive designs. They can retail all the way up to maybe $1,300. So I will link all that information down below so you can see where you can purchase this bag. But for me, I really liked the black leather with the silver hardware, again, because it's an easy bag to just have for casual looks. And I realized that I gravitate to a lot of black and gold more than silver, so I felt like in my collection I really needed a staple piece like this. Talking about size, it is 7.4 inches across and then 4.3 inches down, and then the actual width of the bag is only 2 inches. So you can tell it's a very small bag. This is in the leather of Grand Poudre. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that incorrectly, but it's basically YSL's leather that is scratchless, or you can't get scratches that are visible on it, which is really important for a casual bag that I want to use as an everyday type of bag. I want to make sure that the leather doesn't scratch as easily, like lambskin. That typically really shows up on the bag if there's any scratches. So that was something I was looking into. If I'm going to talk about the chain itself, it is a little bit of a heavier type of chain, but you can really feel the durability of it. I'm also only 5'2", so for me, the length of the strap was very important, and it sits on me pretty well. It doesn't feel like it's too long or anything like that. A lot of the other camera bags that YSL has an adjustable strap, but this one doesn't, which is one thing I really liked, because sometimes I find that if the bag has a strap that is adjustable, the ends of the strap tend to curl up, which really makes the bag look like you've had it for a very long time, or it was very used. So I don't like that, and I like that this one doesn't have an adjustable strap. It's very convenient for someone my height. And then it also comes with this nice tassel, and it says Saint Laurent on it. Other than that, that's what it looks like on the outside. It's quilted chevron style. There's also a back pocket that you can, I like to actually put my phone in here. I feel like it's just easy access for me every time I want to grab my phone, and my phone fits comfortably right there in the back. And I have the iPhone 11, and this is just a smaller size, so it fits. Talking about what's inside the bag itself is that it comes with a built-in wallet in the back right here, which is really nice because it is a very compact style of a bag. You may not have a lot of space to put in it, so I like that they have credit card holders here. You could also put your cash in there and then kind of have a wallet already and be able to just put a lot of things in here. And that's pretty much the basic inside of the bag. So as you can see, it is a lot smaller. And for me, I'm a very minimalistic type of person. I don't like a lot of big bags. I like a lot of smaller ones. I also don't like to put too many things in my bag, so it was very convenient for me. But if you're someone who likes to put a lot of things in your bag, this may not be the bag for you. I just think that YSL has bigger camera bags that may be up your alley more than this specific one, but for me it works out because I literally just like to put my phone. I also don't use big wallets. I like a small card wallet style, so this fits perfectly in there. And then I just need my keys, and that also fits really well. Sometimes I'll pack a lip gloss or a mirror, and as you can see, I still have a lot of room that I could quickly put more things in here. But other than that, that's pretty much what I carry on a daily basis. So that's So that's why this bag for me is a good choice, because I don't like to put a lot of things in my bag. But for people, again, who tend to carry more things, this might not be an ideal bag for you. Well, there you guys had for my Mini Lou YSL handbag. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I want to do a lot more reviews on the bags that I have featured before in the past. That I did a lot of unboxing videos, but I feel like now that I've gotten a lot of use out of those handbags, I want to be able to rate them for you guys and give you guys a more in-depth review of what I think about them, and are they really good purchases, or are they mistakes? I feel like a lot of people buy a lot of handbags, and you know, I'm sure everyone somehow, somewhere, somehow have, you know, made mistakes in purchasing some of these leather goods. I know myself, I have. So I want to kind of do more videos like this. Give me a thumbs up in the comments below if you're interested to see more handbag reviews from me. And I just want to say I hope everyone's staying safe. I know in the midst of all this, there's a lot going on out in the world with COVID-19, and I hope everybody's staying home if you guys have the flexibility to do so. And if you are someone who has essential work, I hope you guys are being safe, and my prayers go out to all of you. And I just hope that we'll get through this together, and stay home, be safe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!